Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the top 5 best sediment filters for well water available on the market right now. Whether you're dealing with rust, dirt, or other particles in your water, these filters will help you achieve cleaner, healthier water for your home. We've analyzed their features, performance, and value, so you don't have to. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we have the Culligan WH-S200C Whole House Sediment Water Filtration System. This budget-friendly option is perfect for anyone looking to improve their water quality without breaking the bank. It's designed to reduce sediment, dirt, sand, and silt, ensuring that your water is cleaner and your appliances are better protected from buildup. Plus, it's easy to install with its valve and head bypass shutoff and includes a filter lifetimer to help you keep track of replacements. The design is straightforward yet durable, featuring a clear housing that allows you to visually monitor the filter's condition. At just 3 pounds, it's lightweight and compact, making it a great choice for smaller households. While the included P5 cartridge does a decent job, heavy sediment users may find that it clogs relatively quickly. Still, for its price, it's hard to find a more convenient option. The Culligan WH-S200C is ideal for light to moderate sediment problems and homeowners new to water filtration. Its affordability and ease of use make it a solid starter option. However, it doesn't offer advanced features like auto-flushing or multi-stage filtration. If you're on a tight budget, this is one to consider. Pros: budget-friendly, easy to install, and compact. Cons: limited capacity and less effective for heavy sediment. At number 4, we have the iSpring WSP50 Reusable Whole House Spin-Down Sediment Water Filter. This filter is designed to handle up to 50 microns of sediment, making it a great option for well water with visible particles like rust and sand. What sets this filter apart is its flushable and reusable design, which reduces the need for frequent replacements and makes it a cost-effective choice in the long run. The build quality is impressive, featuring a solid, lead-free brass head and a stainless steel mesh filter. The see-through housing allows you to monitor sediment levels, and the filter is designed for easy DIY installation. However, if your water has a high sediment load, you may need to flush it more frequently to maintain optimal performance. While it doesn't offer advanced features like auto-flushing, it's still a durable and reliable option for smaller households or as a pre-filter in a larger system. The iSpring WSP50 is perfect for anyone looking for a low-maintenance, reusable filter to tackle moderate sediment issues. It offers a great balance of affordability and functionality. Pros: reusable design, durable materials, and easy installation. Cons: requires regular flushing in high sediment scenarios. At number 3, we have the Membrane Solutions 5-micron string-wound whole house water filter replacement cartridge. This pack of 6 filters is a fantastic choice if you already have a compatible 10-inch filter housing. These string-wound filters are made of food-grade polypropylene, ensuring they're safe, durable, and effective in removing sediment, rust, silt, and sand. What's great about these filters is their long service life. Thanks to their graded honeycomb structure, they offer 4 times the dirt-holding capacity of standard polypropylene filters. Each filter can handle between 15,000 and 20,000 gallons of water, depending on water quality, and should be replaced every 6 months. They're versatile enough to work in a range of applications, from residential to industrial. While these filters don't include a housing, their affordability and efficiency make them a great value for households with existing filtration systems. Pros: high dirt capacity, long service life, and versatile compatibility. Cons: requires a compatible housing, and replacement frequency depends on water quality. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the iSpring WGB21B 2-stage whole house water filtration system. This advanced system features 2 stages of filtration: a 5-micron sediment filter to capture dirt, sand, and rust, and a CTO carbon block filter to remove chlorine, odors, and VOCs. It's perfect for families looking for cleaner, better-tasting water throughout their entire home. The system is built to last. With a sturdy frame and high-quality filters capable of handling up to 50,000 gallons of water. Installation is streamlined with a pre-assembled mounting bracket. And the filter changes are simple, thanks to the included wrench and pressure release valve. However, keep in mind that this system doesn't reduce total dissolved solids, TDS. So if you're looking for TDS removal, you might want to explore iSpring's RO systems. This system is ideal for medium to large households and those who want a comprehensive solution for both sediment and chlorine removal. Pros: dual-stage filtration, long filter life, and user-friendly installation. Cons: no TDS reduction and higher upfront cost. And finally, at number 1, we have the iSpring WSP50 ARB spin-down sediment water filter. This premium option is packed with advanced features, making it the ultimate choice for tackling heavy sediment loads in well water. It features a reusable 50-micron stainless steel mesh filter, a durable lead-free brass head, and an explosion-proof clear housing for easy monitoring. What really sets this filter apart is its touchscreen auto-flushing module, which allows you to schedule automated filter flushing to save time and effort. The high flow rate of 25 GPM ensures that your water pressure remains strong even in large households. Its DIY-friendly installation and compatibility with various pipe types make it a versatile and convenient option. The iSpring WSP50 ARB is perfect for anyone seeking a high-tech, low-maintenance solution for heady sediment filtration. While it's the most expensive option on this list, its durability, advanced features, and convenience make it worth the investment. Pros: auto-flushing, durable materials, and high flow rate. Cons: higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this review helpful in finding the right sediment filter for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.